Wise Way Learning presents the lecture number 98 to 100 under section 19. This is a complete project management free course from beginner to project manager with 19 sections of 100 lectures. Welcome to the course. Section 19 and lecture number 98 to 100. You are now a project manager. This section includes the lectures such as Lecture 98, what project management skills after completing course? Lecture 99, what are critical skills of a project manager? Which skills are important in project management after completing course? Lecture 100, you are now a project manager. Section 19 and lecture number 98, what project management skills after completing course? What are project management skills? Therefore, project management skills are the necessary traits and competencies you need to be a successful project manager, such as technical skills, interpersonal skills and industry experience. What are the technical skills in project manager? A technical project manager is someone who can be considered to be both a tech guru and an inspiring leader. As someone who is instrumental in the planning and management of both IT and IT-related projects, those who want a career as a technical project manager are required to have a high level of technical expertise as well as organization, leadership and communication skills. What are the interpersonal skills in project managers? Project managers accomplish work through the project team and other stakeholders. Effective project managers acquire a balance of technical, interpersonal, and conceptual skills that help them analyze situations and interact appropriately. This appendix describes important interpersonal skills, such as these: 10 essential interpersonal skills you need for project management success. Skill number 1. Problem solving skill number 2. Conflict management skill number 3. Communication skill number 4. Adaptability skill number 5. Teachable skill number 6. Pressure-proof skill number 7. Emotional intelligence skill number 8. Negotiation skill number 9. Conscientiousness skill number 10. Leadership. What is a project manager experience? Project management experience is a skill that shows you know how to lead a team of people. Project management experience is time spent directing, leading, planning and managing projects. Here are some examples of project management experience that you may already have. 10 essential experience skills you need for project management success. Skill number 1. Leading skill number 2. Planning skill number 3. Executing skill number 4. Monitoring and controlling skill number 5. Communication skill number 6. Managing time skill number 7. Budgeting skill number 8. Decision making skill number 9. Maintaining skill number 10. Documenting. Section 18 and lecture number 99. What are critical skills of a project manager? Which skills are important in project management after completing course? What skills and knowledge is required to be a project manager? There are 7 essential project management skills to be discussed here. How to effectively communicate. Such as from project kickoffs to stakeholder meetings, project managers are constantly communicating. How to negotiate. How to schedule and time management. Leadership, technical expertise, risk management, critical thinking, and problem solving. What are your strengths as a project manager? What are the 5 qualifications as a project manager? The best project managers are skilled in the areas of strategic thinking, risk management, and communication. While technical expertise is a must, so are people skills and the ability to facilitate collaboration. Moreover, 5 qualifications as a project manager are: 1. Essential communication skills. 2. Essential time management skills. 3. Project management organizational awareness. 4. Essential problem solving skills. 5. Essential leadership skills.
Congratulations! You have successfully completed this course and all of its phases, like a true project manager. You should be proud, as you have gained the invaluable project management knowledge and have built a solid understanding of the key concepts, tools and techniques, and terminology. Furthermore, you have witnessed numerous real-life examples to help you link theory and practice, and have filled your project management toolbox with the key templates and documents a project manager may need. You have now built a strong basis, which will help you manage projects on your own. And as you go out into the world of project management to learn more and more on top of all we have done together, we wish you the best of luck with any and all projects you help to succeed. So, project manager, Be brave. Do not hesitate to put your knowledge into practice from this very moment. Combine your project management knowledge, tools and techniques, tips and tricks you have mastered with your ever-growing experience. Experiment and create new project structures that fit the specific environment you are in, and leave your mark on the Project Management Hall of Fame. Thank you for watching and taking your first steps towards a fulfilling project management career with us. P.S. If you liked our course, we will be extremely grateful if you leave a review. If you haven't done so already, of course. This will mean a lot to us and will help other students know that this course is worth taking. From Ivan and the 365 team, we wholeheartedly thank you.